Welcome to this video where we will review V-Vaxy wax for car scratch repair. Is it a reliable product or just a scam? V-Vaxy is a wax designed to remove minor scratches from a car's surface, promising to restore shine and provide additional protection. It is claimed to work on all car colors and is easy to use. However, many trials have shown that the results can be disappointing. For instance, one user mentioned that after using it, the scratches didn't disappear completely, but only became slightly less noticeable. Additionally, some sources have reported that the marketing of the product may be misleading, as it is claimed to work on all scratches and car colors, while reviews suggest otherwise. If you decide to try V-Vaxy, it is recommended to read the instructions carefully and test it on a small, inconspicuous area first. However, based on experiences and reviews, you may want to consider other, more reliable alternatives for fixing your car scratches. For more information or to purchase the product, you can visit the link in the video description below.